who doesn't love a good bowl of warm, spicy, savory noodles? I think many people would love this dish a lot. I never made it, but I'm a big fan of noodles, and now it's time for me to try the DanDan Noodles with Sichuan peppers, which I love Sichuan cuisine. But let's see. The thing is, I don't have the chili oil, and that's quite essential in this dish, but I'm gonna freestyle, I'm gonna replace it with something else. It's gonna be amazing, it's gonna be tasty, it's gonna be super delicious, so time to go. So step 1 would be to grate some ginger and garlic. So the meat is done. Now we're going to make the dandan sauce. Like I told you before, I'm sorry I could not find any chili oil, but I'm going to replace it with something else. So let me show you. Improvised dandan sauce done. Let's try it first. Let's eat. So that is all we needed to do. Maybe it looks a bit complicated, but believe me, it's just frying meat, putting sauces, putting herbs, then grating some ginger, you know. It's not too much work. Water's boiling, we're gonna cook the noodles and then assemble this beautiful dish. and now it is time to try it. It smells really like spring onion, like 5-spice seasoning, you know, a lot of good Asian flavors. So I think it will be really good. Let's go. Mix it. Let's go. The 5-spice seasoning is really hitting here. Sichuan peppers has a nice peppery, almost lemony like flavor. It's such a joy to eat, you know. You have a little bit spicy, a little bit peanutty, a little bit salty of the meat, you know, of the minced beef. Absolute winner. What a joy.